From the home screen, locate Find a Settings search field as seen on this screen. Type Turn Off Camera. That will show you 3 options there. I want you to pick Turn Off Camera Access for all apps. It will bring you to this screen. Locate Let App Access Your Camera. The radio button in front of it, I want you to turn it off and turn it back on. That's all you need to do on this screen. Next, I want you to right click on the Microsoft icon and click on Device Manager as you see on the screen. It will bring you to this screen. I want you to expand the camera section and locate your own camera. In my case, it's HP HD camera. There will be multiple options there, but there is one that your laptop is using, so I want you to locate that one. Right click on the camera you are using and click Update Driver. It will bring you to this screen. On this screen, I want you to select Search Automatically for Driver. That's the one that is highlighted there. If you have up-to-date driver in your system, you will see a screen similar to this. Otherwise, you will see a screen where it will ask you to install driver that it finds. Don't worry, go ahead and install it. Next, I want you to click on the search button on the toolbar and look for camera if it's already there. If it's not, you can type it in the type here to search, search for camera and select camera. At this point, your camera should be working. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. This will help me to make more videos in the future. Thank you.